how to add or remove the Notes shortcut to the Control Center on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down and tap on Control Center. In here, if you want to remove the Notes shortcut from the Control Center, then go to the Included Controls section and tap on Notes. Then tap on Removed. And that's it. Now it has been removed from the Control Center. To add it to the Control Center, you go to the More Controls section, and then we tap on the Add button right next to the Notes icon. And that's it. So now it has been added to the Include Control section, which is in the Control Center now. And you can tap on that to quickly open up the Notes app, and it's ready for you to write the note. This is the shortcut. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.